You have a card? So you pull in. So you just tell me that you want to just to talk about it. You know what's been going on.
To us, it's a door frame. To him, it's Mount Everest.
Soltame el pelo, Tony. Por favor. Sucio, Tony. La colita, el pelo. Para. Pero...
But she's kind of a problem. No, and I hope that she's okay, and I felt super bad, but I'm also like...
We're sleeping on the floor for you. Like, can you stop being so crazy? Like, honestly.
Max, figure it out. I shouldn't have to go around the pole for you. Figure it out. Nope, figure it out. Be smarter than the pole. Be smarter than the pole. Follow the...
What did you do? Why are you a mess? What did you get in?
My name is Bunny and I come from the hill. Tra-la-tra-li-li, it gives me a thrill to wake up in the morning.
Looks like someone's found their feathery soulmate.
Why are we interested in the groceries? You don't want that.
Bless you, 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 bless you.
そう。他踏むなよ。そうそうそうそう。踏まないよ。そうだよ。そうそうそうそう。そう、はい、行こう。うなったところは踏まない。
He's mocking you.
Dad's couch is now an official husky pillow testing lab.
Drop it! Drop it! Drop it!
His mission? Protect. But his purpose? Get as many pets as possible.
Goose.
is that? Puppy probably lost his other giant white shoe somewhere.
Oh yeah, what's that?
Oh my god. Without the camera, we'd never have caught the real thief in 4K.
You want kisses? Can I have a kiss? Kisses. Yeah, but you got to give me a kiss. Don't just make the sound. Have a kisses. That was a bit rough.
Yeah, hug. Hug you. Gently. Hug. Good. Stay. Hug properly. I want to see it. Good girls. Hug. Oh, you pee.
You know you've raised him well when he does this.
If you put your toy in my water, it gonna stay in here and you're not getting it back. Zeus, get your toy. Get it. Max.
When diplomacy fails, forehead negotiation begins.
Oh, Tom Tom.
So I'm trying to wrap presents, and he won't leave my tape alone because he has a weird obsession with plastic. So this is what I do. Oh!
He runs. At least he's walking good now. This one.
Go.
See ya.
I have 2 cookies and I don't have any.
I love to get in sparkly dresses.
Directive.
Oh my god, look at this, Bruna! You get to enjoy the snow for the first time! Bruno, no te vayas a querer meter.
Arthur, come. Come. Arthur. Hey, come.
Morty, what do you have?
Those are my glasses. All pro runners know that warming up is a must.
Alan, what are you doing? You very naughty boy. Hmm?
Why did you do this?
Yo, man could get full shield. But I could get.
Okay, racers, are you ready? On your mark, get set, go! Oh man, we're gonna go!
Oh, hi.
Master chocolatier.
We get to another level with the iconic chocolate of Hershey's Kisses.
Hey, don't chew on his tail, Holly. Holly. You're so pretty.
Well, now we know exactly why he has that body shape. Looks like he's dreaming about a mountain of roasted lamb.
She looks like she's having a good dream.
Yes! Oh no!
Fucking go. You wanted to go out, now go. Yeah.
That's the Malinois life for you. If you enjoyed the madness, like and subscribe for more. See you soon.
Sit down, you're not driving.
Hey, buddy, did you even ask permission before taking that?
Put the staple gun down right now. Right now.
Ready? Whoa, that move looked straight out of professional MMA.
And go.
Your personal space has expired, human. Renew with kibbles.
What is... Huh? Quack, quack.
All right, ready, on your mark, set, go.
Córrele, cierra la puerta.
Napoleon, the door is open. Just go around.
And then I look over here.
Affection not accepted. Please try again after belly rub upgrades.
bigger person, even though you clearly are the bigger person. Even though you clearly are the bigger
The cat is clearly the godfather of this neighborhood.
You guys hear the geese flying? Sorry, you can't play with them. Hi, Daisy.
Наконец-то! Наконец-то я приехал на свою дачу! Боже мой! Как же я по ней скучал! Моя дача! Дача!
I had a couple Red Bulls. Have you ever had a Red Bull? I never had a Red Bull before, but I had a Red Bull last night. I really like Red Bull.
No doubt, he's getting the Wi-Fi signal from outer space.
Esme, come in. Come on. Yeah, come in. What's this?
Treat?
No migs. New migs. What are you doing?
You order food online, but it takes forever to arrive. Now you're old.
Who says the wild can't be adorable? Read nature's tiniest adventurers.
Fun fact, Chihuahuas are
Angry me when hearing someone say my favorite artist is a flop.
Huh?
Stop hunting me. Why are you hunting me?
Found the best way to stay fresh this summer. He's basically a human. Doxical.
I'll say hi, friend. Hi, friend. Good girl.
That no.
Oh my gosh, are you a car alarm?
The elevator butt activation is 100% successful in affection.
Hey, you. Hi. It's Squishy.
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so cute?
Archie, please.
Needs Archie.
Archie.
Please.
No.
Don't run.
Please, Archie, please.
Don't run.
Stop, Archie, please.
No.
If you do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you.
Oh my god! I don't understand.
Some dogs chase sticks, police dogs chase logs.
Uncle Angel is not doing his job. You have one job. Look behind you.
He's sitting.
Titus, are you sitting on her? Titus.
My big baby.
Yes.
It's terrible.
Those were her hands.
Where did you get that? Careful.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
Hey, hey, you there? Hey, you there? What?
Gregory, you cannot have gravy this time. Eat your... See, that's what you get. No food. You can't have gravy every time.
Oh! It's so heavy that I can't even catch it. Like this, look.
One mistake, and you are fired, man.
Guests down at the Soho East reported a break-in on Sunday. Amongst the stolen goods was a diamond-studded dog collar.
O que você acha disso que você fez, hein?
The assignment.
Oh my god.
Sei incredibile, sei. Non boh. Non boh. Adesso ti doppio.
Did you know food can trigger competitive mode in poodles?
Come on.
Don't judge. This is his secret for his perfect jawline.
Come on. Nice.
Okay.
Started when we were younger, you were mine. My boo! Oh my god!
Meet the beluga whale. Intelligent, social, and apparently very fond of pranking children.
Most people get a foot rub after work, so do horses.
She loves it.
We still have to have our babe photo shoot. For sure. We can definitely do it this week.
Oh, there is a wall. What are you gonna do? Benji, what are you gonna do? Oh. Hi.
来，滑石头。哦呦厉害！哎呦厉害！哦呦厉害！哦呦！哦呦！哦呦！哦呦！哦呦！
Go potty. Going potty was pretty far down the priority list.
Please go in the house. T.
Get it?
This is a next level DIY dog enrichment.
Ну зачем ты тапки одел? тебе сделать? Принести их, Дэнь, не надевать. Чё ты за чудо?
You've got a dog, got a rescue dog, get out and do something with it.
He's taking notes for his next performance review.
Great, right up there.
A guide to maximizing your cat's potential.
No. No! Yo, give it back!
Gator, all I saw was a floaty lily pad.
Uncle Angel is not doing his job. You have one job. Look behind you.
Forget the beach, this bulldog can generate waves at home.
Turkey! Oh my god.